In front of me is Oukitel WP35, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. Begin by opening Settings and tapping on Connected Devices. Then hit Bluetooth and click on this switcher next to Use Bluetooth to activate it. Then wait for available devices to show up, and when they do, click on the one that you wish to connect to. Select Pair in the pop-up and wait for the other device to accept your connection request. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!